Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your password on the MetaMask wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the MetaMask wallet application on your device and proceed forward with logging in using your biometrics or your password. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the wallet page. Now, in order to change your account password, tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner. Now from the settings page, tap on security and privacy, which is the second option. And now underneath the secret recovery phrase button, you will see the change password option. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will first be asked to enter your old password. Just type in your current password that you are using to log into your account, and then tap on confirm. You will now be allowed to enter a new password. Just type in your desired new password, and then type it in once again for confirmation. You can also enable the unlock with fingerprint option, and now tap on the I understand checkbox and then tap on reset password, and now your password has successfully been reset. You can now start using this new password in order to log into your account in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on the MetaMask wallet application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.